Welcome to VR Forces, VTMOC's comprehensive simulation product that brings to bear all the essential capabilities of distributed simulation. VR Forces is designed for use in all phases of a project. For end users, it's ready to use out of the box. It's easy to connect the simulation to the network, then load a terrain database of a specific site, training range, or the whole planet Earth. Select from a built-in library of vehicle types, air, land, sea, undersea, as well as the full collection of DI human characters. Artificial intelligence for manned and autonomous vehicle simulation, autonomous human character simulation, aggregate level unit simulation, interactive first-person simulation, 2D and 3D visualization, including informative graphic overlays as well as immersive scenes and sensor image generation, agile support for multiple terrain database formats, and of course, MOC's claim to fame, distributed simulation networking. Place entities anywhere in the environment and have them independently operate using their built-in AI. That includes sensing, navigation, and mobility models, weapons, electronic warfare, combat, and defensive models. Save scenarios for use later on, or run them interactively. Even change the scenario while the simulation is running. For modelers and training instructors, without programming skills, they can configure and set up VR Forces to model specific doctrine and user roles. Use the editors to configure new models, specify the force structure and allegiance, assign weapons and sensors, define physical properties and motion dynamics parameters, set up the environmental conditions, weather, time of day, even tweak the terrain database to improve the look and add scenario-specific content. Customize the graphical user interface to add controls for quick access to commonly used tasks. Create groups of entities, give them scripted AI behaviors, tasks, plans, and then save them for reuse in other scenarios. Developers and system integrators? Well, they have application programmer interfaces for every component of VR Forces, so developers can customize and extend VR Forces to make it an integral part of a training solution. VR Forces is much more than a computer-generated forces simulation. Of course you can use it to simulate scenarios, as small as a single entity or as large as thousands, as is done in battle labs and government research labs and training facilities within America and many other countries around the world. But VR Forces is also a simulation framework, a toolkit with all the configuration editors, remote control interfaces, APIs that allow system integrators to build desktop trainers, to create first-person role-player stations, and to develop sensor simulations, even to embed training into live systems. VR Forces has been made robust by continual use by the world's top system integrators. Every year since its introduction in 1999, we've added capabilities to meet our customers' project needs and improved ease of use and performance to keep VR Forces up with the state of the simulation art. VR Forces, get ahead of the game.